Hey, Platinum Nation, it's TW. Hey, on Tuesday, I'm going to have Bill Watson on. You're going to see a real, honest-to-goodness working funnel to get now buyers and sellers using this high demand for new construction out there in the marketplace. Hey, if you're not, getting in on the act for this big demand of new construction, after all, these new houses are flying off the shelf despite the crazy marketplace, right? So if you're not in on that, I think you're missing the boat. So I've made a lot of money my career as a real estate agent, targeting prospects who wanted to get out of one home and move into a brand new construction house. Almost, I would say more than half are people with a house to sell as well, but you need a funnel. Now we're gonna get into this really heavy at the conference coming up in Orlando. But on Tuesday's Platinum session with Bill, you're gonna see his new construction funnel, the ads that he's running, the autoresponders that kick in as soon as he generates the clicks, and then he's not really busting his butt trying to reach these prospects on the phone because they pretty much don't answer. But all the prospects are calling him saying, "Hey, can you help me? Yes, I'm interested in buying a new house. Help me." All right, that's the way a funnel is supposed to work. And now again, we're getting into this in great detail in Orlando. But now's your chance to kind of get a jump start on it, get yourself prepared for what you're going to be in store for there on Tuesday's Platinum Zoom meeting. So join me, join Bill, and check this funnel out. And I believe you can copy and implement this, maybe even have this on its way to being in place, working, generating the prospects that you want before we even get to Orlando. And then you'll be that much further ahead of the game. All right. But anyway, let's pick it up there on Tuesdays, 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. And let's get some now buyers and sellers leveraging new construction the right way. Got it? All right. Go serve big things.